Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change text orientation in WordPress step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to fine-tune your site design, this guide will make it super easy for you. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to the WordPress website. Click on Login at the top right corner. You can quickly log in by choosing Continue with Google, then select the Google account linked to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you're ready to start customizing your site. From your dashboard, look for the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This opens the WordPress site editor where all the magic happens. Here, you can see your site layout and start making changes in real time. Next, click on the text element you want to modify. Once selected, an editing menu will appear and the options will show up on the right-hand sidebar. This is where you can control every detail of your text. In the sidebar, scroll to the typography section. Click the three-dot icon to reveal advanced options. Here, you'll find all the settings related to text style, including text orientation. Click on Orientation to access alignment and direction settings. You can adjust your text to left, center, right, or even vertical orientation depending on your design needs. The best part, changes are applied instantly so you can see exactly how it looks before publishing. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can change the text orientation in WordPress and enhance your site's visual appeal. It's quick, easy, and totally beginner friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.